Adding smart chips to a document is relatively easy. Come to the area where you want the smart chip to be, click, hit the @ sign, and then it should open up a smart chip menu. So for this one, I want to pull in a Tech Tuesday activity that I did. I hit the @ sign and I begin to type the name of the activity that I am looking for. I'm going to keep typing because I don't see the one I'm looking for. And it popped up right here, bookmarks and favicons. I click on it and you'll see it adds it. It shows that it is a Google slide. It shows that I'm the owner. And it also reminds me that if I'm sharing this document out, I want to make sure that I change the share settings on the file so that everybody who's looking at the file will be able to see it. When I wanted to add the release date, I do the @ sign again. I begin to type in the date that I want it to be released. I'm going for August 16th. I click and it adds the chip for me. When I mouse over the chip, I can actually click where it says book a meeting. If I want to do more than just add it there, I can actually add it onto my calendar as well. And it will allow me to create an actual calendar invite that will live on my calendar rather than just within the doc. And then I can also add a collaborator. Let's say that I want Mark Grayler to pay attention to this. I can add him here. Now again, it's a chip. He's not necessarily going to be assigned this, but he can see on here that this is what I want him to do. And I can go ahead and I can use this to send him an email or make a comment or assign this in here. I go on to the next one. So my next one is going to be the Captain Chrome. And you see, I keep typing. It eventually finds it. I add it as a chip. Mouse over it gives me that nice preview. I add my release date. You'll notice when I go to add the release date that I actually can just pick today, tomorrow's date, or I can go ahead and I can attach it to an activity that I already have on my calendar. So I apparently want to do Captain Chrome during a wine dinner I'm attending. And I'm going to assign this one. Maybe Brian likes wine. I don't know. We'll go ahead and add him on there. Now, sometimes because it only suggests, things that you know the specific name of, if you want to add a chip, but you don't want to have to search all through the name, you can always open up the document, click on the share icon. It can be a document, it can be a drawing, it can be a slide or a sheet. And you're going to go ahead and get the link from here and then come back and you'll hit that @ sign and then paste in the link. And what it will do is it will give you the option to replace your messy link with the smart chip. And remember, you can also do that with sheets as well. Let me get rid of the @ sign, make it pretty. So if I wanted to include a sheet, so I'm going to go ahead and insert a row. And this time I want to include a sheet. One of mine is August. Okay. So again, I can search for it with the @ sign, or I can go on my drive and I can grab the share link. But all of these are in here. They look a lot nicer than they did before. It gives you this really beautiful preview with the calendar invites. You can go ahead and you can turn it into a real invite and book a meeting. You can know whether or not the share settings are set in a way that everyone will be able to see it. And it's just a really nice way to create a document that has content embedded within it.